to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out a new product that's been gifted to me by Light Lash London. So these are, I don't know if you saw my W7 video where I did the adhesive eyeliner and then stuck the lashes on, but this is the same theory, but I'm just curious because this one's actually clear, whereas the other one was black. So it was like a black eyeliner and then you put your lashes on and it stuck to the liner glue. So this one's actually clear, and I thought, oh, that's quite good because you don't always want like black eyeliner on your looks, do you? Sometimes it's nice to have clear. So I got the clear liner adhesive, which looks like this. And then you have, very much like the other one, like a felt tip with a little nib on the end that you can draw kind of like you would an eyeliner onto your lash line and then stick your lashes on. I also thought this was really good because if you're not very good at eyeliner, I'm not the best to be honest, but if you're not very good at getting your line straight, or you've got a shaky hand or something like that, with it being clear, let's pop that lid on so it doesn't dry out. With it being clear, you don't have to be quite so precise with it. So yes, I'm going to try that. And then they also sent me these lashes as well. How cute is that packaging? That is just adorable. And these are, by the way, this is all, it's got the bunny on the back, so it's all vegan and cruelty free as well. And then the lashes look like this. So these are Vixen. Yeah, these are Vixen. So I think these are supposed to be like the slightly more dramatic flared ones. They did a natural one, and I'll try and link it down here. They did a natural one, and then they did another one, but I can't remember. But as I say, I'll try and pop a little screenshot here. Oh, and then I also got some lash applicator tweezery things as well. I don't normally use these. I normally just use the pointed tweezers and then kind of use my fingers, but I'll try them. I don't normally get on very well with these, but we'll give them a whirl anyway. Right, okay, so obviously I've done all the rest of my makeup already. This is actually for another makeup look that should actually already be out. I think this is a couple of videos after that one. It's the Passion Luxe palette anyway, the XX Revolution one, if you want to check that out. But anyway, so this it says to give it a shake first, so we're gonna do that. And it also says if you've got heavy makeup on, which I have, and I've got some shimmer, you're to put it on the lid like you would, as I say, an eyeliner, and you're to also put it on the inside of the lash band as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start off by popping it on my lash line. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of... One thing I will say is, obviously because I've got quite a lot of eye makeup on, it is kind of taking it off where I'm applying this, and it's kind of getting a bit stuck to the nib. A little bit worried there isn't enough on there. I couldn't really feel it coming off too well, because as I say, there was quite a lot of my eye makeup getting stuck to the nib. Okay, right, so next I'll put it on the band of the actual lashes themselves as well. I think these are going to be all right, you know, but I'm just gonna, I don't like it when they have the you know, the little plastic bits on the end here, so it's quite hard to show you, but yes, I'm just going to chop those little bits off the end. Okay, so I'm just going to pop the kind of liner on the band as well. I think that's going on. Can't really tell. think so. Right, it says wait 30 seconds. So I'm just going to wait 30 seconds and then we will pop them on. Right, okay, so let's see how they go. Oh, that's why I don't like using these, because I just poke myself in the eye. Stuck quite well. The only thing that hasn't is this outer corner, but I don't know if that was me because I didn't quite take it out far enough. So I'm just going to pop a little bit more on the outer corner. Okay, so there's both of the lashes on. Just going to give them a little. Yeah, I'd say they actually went on pretty easy. I wouldn't say they went on any better or worse than the W7 one, but as I say, I think for me this has got a slight upper hand with it being clear. They do black as well if you prefer black, but with it being clear I think it's quite good, because I don't, as I say, I don't always like eyeliner. So, you know, the fact that you can just pop these on and it's a clear adhesive is actually better for me. Yeah, the lashes actually feel really nice. They're really light and I really like the way they look. So I'll just give you a quick close-up of the lashes themselves. So you can see they've gone on quite nicely. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And it would mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!